Have you ever heard of an ice cream baked potato? Okay, well, I had never heard of this, and when I saw the idea, I was like equally amazed and confused. But it is a really cool idea, and it happens to be the next stop on my 50 video series making every state dessert in America. The potato gives it a little bit of a hint. So let me know in the comments what your guess is for the state that goes with this state dessert. There obviously is no recipe for this. It's just a really fun, simple process. So let's get started with it. So obviously this is not a difficult process. All I'm doing is putting vanilla ice cream in some plastic wrap, wrapping it up and then using my hands to gently shape it, just gently so we don't melt it, but then gathering those ends and twisting it to form the potato shape. Put it back in the freezer for about an hour so it re-solidifies, and then all you do is unwrap it, roll it in some cocoa. Obviously the better quality cocoa you use, the better it's gonna taste, just until it's totally coated. And then in terms of the toppings, I'm using some fresh mint to look like chives, whipped cream to look like sour cream, and just load the baked potato up with whatever you would put on a baked potato, the equivalent of the sweet colored version. It's totally up to you. The fact that this kind of does resemble a baked potato is both adorable and hilarious to me. Like, I would totally serve this at parties. I am kind of obsessed with this. And if you had the hint earlier with potatoes and guessed in the comments, this is apparently, according to my research, one of the state desserts for Idaho. And of course, you can top this with whatever you like, according to whatever you would put on an ice cream sundae, basically. But this is a fun way to enjoy ice cream. Like, I cannot believe I've never heard of this. There's obviously nothing to dislike about this. Ice cream, cocoa, whipped cream, some mint. I mean, it's a classic for a reason. Be sure to check out the rest of this 50 video series where I'm making every state dessert in America, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can join me every week for new amazing recipes outside of this awesome series as well. Don't forget to leave some comments down below and like this video, share it if you love it especially that much, and I will see you guys next time.